Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making crab masala. In Goa they call it kulio masala. So today I'm going to show you how we make it.
Alright, for the masala you're going to need 1 roughly chopped whole onion, large, 3 Kashmiri chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 black peppercorns, and 6 cloves, along with a cup of coconut and 1 tamarind ball. For the frying portion, you'll need 1 large finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies, I chopped mine, 6 cloves of garlic, and 2 Maggi cubes. Here you'll see me cleaning the crabs. I just take off everything that you can use and clean the inside of the crab out. All of the insides I wash nicely and take off all the parts that you should not be using to cook in the crab masala. So that's what you'll see me doing here in this part of this process. Once I have everything done, then I'll add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, and give everything a nice mix like you see me doing here. Make sure everything is coated very nice. Then add some oil to the pan. You'll add in your whole spices and roast them. Then you will add in your 1 large roughly chopped onion. Also fry that up until it's golden. You'll put all that to the side in a plate to let it cool, and then you'll add your 1 cup of coconut. Nicely roast that and set that in the same plate to the side to cool. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get a pot, put our oil, and fry our finely chopped onion till it's golden. Once it's golden, we'll add in our garlic and our chilies. We'll fry those until the raw smell of garlic is gone. And then once that is complete, we will add in a cup of water, 2 Maggi cubes, and let those dissolve. Once those dissolve nicely, like you see here, I just keep the flame on medium high and try to break them up as much as possible. Add 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Stir everything nicely. Add in your crabs. And then you'll want to add in whatever salt you'd like to taste. Give everything a nice mix. And make sure everything is coated very, very nicely. And then we will pop on our lid and let it cook until it is partially done. In the meantime, let's make our masala. Add everything that you roasted into the grinder jar, as I am here. And with your tamarind ball, add a little water and put it on your grinder until it is grinded to a nice, smooth paste. So he had me laughing here, guys. He was making fun of me. So look at those crabs, guys. Look at the color. It's so lovely. Now the masala is finished. Let's go over to the pot and add it in. He had to take a look at the crabs again. You want to add in that masala, and then you'll add a little bit of water to the grinder jar just to get the remaining masala out. Pour that in as well. And then you'll give everything a nice mix at this time. Make sure everything is nicely coated, even color. You'll add in a spoon of garam masala and half of your freshly chopped coriander that you chopped from earlier. You'll give everything a nice mix, pop on the lid, and let that cook. Once that's cooked for a while, you'll add in chili powder to your liking and just a little water to the consistency that you want it. Add in the rest of your coriander. Look at that, guys. The gravy is so nice. The color is so nice. Oh, the crab looks so good. And here you go, guys. It's finished. Nice crab masala. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!